Detection of black coffee beans. Abstract. The abstract of a research paper serves as a concise summary of its entire content, presenting the main topic, methods, results, and conclusions. In the case of this study, the abstract should start by highlighting the significance of coffee bean classification in the coffee industry, noting the challenges faced in traditional methods, which are typically manual and prone to inaccuracies. Document. In document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. The homepage serves as the gateway to our malware classification project, providing an intuitive interface for users. This is the About page of project. The registration page in this project serves as the initial user interface for creating accounts. The login page serves as the initial access point for authorized users in the malware classification project. Upload page, featuring an input field where users can submit an image for classification and quickly obtain the corresponding results. Classified output result, which summarize the classification of the input data into specific categories. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030333433.